Hello everyone and welcome. In today's unboxing we have a new viewing angle for you. And today we're going to do something I don't normally do here, but I just found it cool, so I just wanted to show it on camera. So this is an Assassin's Creed multi-tool here. Maybe I'll turn off the lights so you can see a bit better. Yeah. So this is a small gadget multi-tool here, 4-in-1. And it's from the Assassin's Creed game. I don't remember which one exactly. So yeah, so it has some scissors here, crosshead screwdriver, 2 flathead screwdriver, and 1 bottle opener here. So yeah, so for this guy we're gonna need some good scissors here. So we're gonna cut on the side. Let's see if I cut here like that. Is that gonna work? Okay, so it's coming off. And here we go. And there it is. Maybe I'll put some lights. Sorry. Get the lights. Much better. So you can see here, there's the nice Assassin's logo here. It's on the keychain. It's a bit on the heavy side. We have a nice Assassin's Creed here. Which year is it? 2018. I'm not sure which game came out that year. So yeah, there are some little hooks you can see, so you can take them out with your nails. So we have the one of the screwdriver here. Good. What do we have here? So nice pair of scissors here. So do they cut? They don't seem to be very sharp here, but I'm sure you can use some sharpening tools here. But yeah, you can hand it pretty well if you. So what else do we have? We have one flathead here, and I think we have the bottle opener here. And the last one, we have a smaller flathead here. So yeah, we got 4 pretty useful tool here. So yeah, a nice gadget to have on you if you want, in your pocket or something. Pretty cool. So yes, that was the Assassin's Creed multi-tool, 4-in-1 multi-tool. So that was just a little quick unboxing. Tell me if you like this type of viewing angle here in the comment. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like.